What's up, everybody? JC News Now. Y'all remember this?
Dylan Carter, now that I'm here?
Yeah, I saw you. Can I help you with something?
Sure, can I get your name?
No.
Oh, then you can't help me. You're dismissed.
Can I get your name?
No, sir.
I'm gonna ask you to leave.
You can ask all you want. It's a public office.
Please leave.
No.
Okay.
All right. You want to give me your name before you bark directives?
Displaying Police Department.
Hey, this is Dylan over at Probation and Parole.
Uh-huh.
Hey, I got a question for you. I got a guy, he goes by JC. I think he's this guy that goes around and records government and does all that. You guys know him, I'm sure, right?
Yep, I've seen him before too.
Okay. What is the process for that?
Did he come in and then ask him for names and badge numbers, or?
Yeah, and he's just got his phone out recording and stuff like that.
Okay. Is he like causing an issue, causing a disturbance?
He was trying to record back in our area, back like that.
Trespass?
Secured. Yeah, we certainly don't want him here. We have an officer ask him to leave, and at this point he hasn't.
And what's your name?
My name is Dylan Carter.
And what's he wearing?
He's in there right now. Blue shirt, khakis. Yeah. Light blue shirt, khakis, gray ball cap.
Okay. I'll have the officer respond over there to make contact with you.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. And this is at 1580.
Like I said, they dropped the paraphernalia charges and they said it.
Hi.
Hey, sir.
It's that JC guy that records everything.
Yeah.
He's in here, so I believe we're within our rights to ask him to leave, and then if he doesn't,
Yeah, absolutely.
trespass. So yeah, that's just what we'd like to do at this point.
Okay.
He's not been too rowdy, but the recording, he's trying to push his phone into the window and stuff like that. So, yeah. So
Okay.
I think that's about it.
All right.
Do you need me for anything necessarily right now, or?
But you guys, if he doesn't leave, do you want me to charge him with trespassing?
Yeah, I mean, if he doesn't leave,
Okay.
he mentioned, hey, I know law enforcement's probably coming. So he said once you guys got here, I think he will be willing to leave. And
Okay.
so, great. But yeah, just
Okay.
don't want him here.
All right, sounds good.
All right, thanks.
Thank you. Hey, sir.
How's it going?
Do you go by JC?
Yeah, that's me.
They don't want you here anymore. You care to leave for me?
Yes, sir. I'm trying to do a sunshine request first.
Boy, this isn't the way you do it. So, but they want you to leave. So let's step out of the building, okay?
Well, is it a public office?
Sir, they told me it's their building, it's a safe building, and they don't want you here. So you need to leave.
Are you going to arrest me if I don't?
Yes, sir, I will arrest you.
That's all I need. What's your name, license number?
It's all painted right here.
Oh, so you just don't want to say it?
That's not bad. You can see it clearly, correct? So let's go ahead and go.
All right, don't touch me.
I'll go.
Don't touch me.
Don't put your hands on me.
Go ahead and step out, because I've asked you 3 times now to step out of the building.
I'm going to. What's your name, badge number?
I already given it to you.
No, you didn't. You didn't give me a badge number.
So if they don't want you here anymore, if you come back, they're going to want you to charge you with trespass. Nope.
All right, now I want to hear what you got to say.
You're dismissed.
You're dismissed, Brixie. Get back to work. You don't want to identify.
I'm going to come back, and I'm going to do my sunshine request like it's allowed by law.
Okay.
You're violating my rights, sir.
Okay.
It's state property. That means it's public. And you put your hands on it.
Yep, because you refuse to
You
leave.
cannot put your hands on a private citizen, sir, without cause.
Sir, if you go back in the building, you're going to be arrested for trespassing. Have a great
Did
day.
I commit a crime?
Yes, you're trespassing.
No, I'm not. You just asked me to leave and I left. Afterwards, it's a crime, buddy. Learn the law. I'm going to pull your information. You are dismissed. Get your butt back to work. Go on. Get back to work. Shoo. Get your ass back to work. Sorry I made your appointment late. All right, y'all saw what happened, and that's pretty much how it happened.
nothing was said. Some time went by, and I got mad because I was forced out of a publicly accessible office. So I went home and I drew up a letter of intent to sue and served it on the city. Now, remember this. There was no charges filed on me at all. But as soon as I filed that letter of intent to sue, the city doubled down and put trespassing and disorderly conduct charges on me. So I've been battling these for the last 2 years. When I went and did a little pen time, I wrote letters of incarcerations to let them know that I wouldn't be in court. Well, they held me anyway, and for failure to appear because I missed court date because I was in a pen. Anyway, so that cost me another $1,000 bond on each one, but I had to pay 10% surety, so $200 to get out. Anyway, went in front of Judge Hass, and the trespassing charge disappeared. And suddenly they decided that I wasn't trespassing, and but Judge Hass agreed with the disorderly conduct, and he gave me disorderly conduct, and he gave me 20 days in the county or in the city jail, suspended, imposition of sentence for 2 years. 2 years with a 20-day backup in the jail. And so I went outside after he found that. I went and appealed it. And so 2 months ago, I appealed in front of Judge Ray. And he heard all the evidence, and he asked me, he said, do you want a jury trial or you want a bench trial? And I've known Judge Ray for years, and I've always known him to be a fair man. Even when I was at my worst, he was always fair. And that's what I'll say about that man. I told him, I said, no, I'll trust you to educate it. And he's like, all right. So we had our little trial, and I got my decision back today. I had to go to West Plains, and he said, Jimmy, the city ordinance has 13 provisions that provide for disorderly conduct, and I find that you didn't fit any of those. So I find that you're not guilty. So I got acquitted. I won my appeal. Been a road. Anyway, I just wanted to share with you guys. Car Thief News rode with me down there. He rode with me to every court date. He's been going to every court date with me. So that's one of them out of the way. I think that's a win for the 1A community. Judge Ray told me, he said, I don't want to encourage you to keep doing this for social media. And he kind of scolded me a little bit. I kept my cool and I smiled. And I said, yes, sir. And let him render his verdict. And he did. And he rendered a fair verdict. He may not think that what we're doing is right, but he still went by the law. That's an honest man. He always has been. Anyway, I just wanted to share with all y'all, and I hope y'all have a great day. Go check out Car Thief News if you get a chance. If you haven't already, he's funny as hell. Anyway, I love each and every one of you. Peace.